Welcome to the general overview of library resources available to students and staff at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Today, we will be going over how to best utilize these resources and how to access them. Let's start at the beginning. Part 1. Setup Access. Your Net ID is a name assigned to you that is unique across all University of Illinois campuses. This is your first key to unlocking all the resources, ebooks, and research consultations available to you at the University of Illinois. In order to claim your Net ID, you will need your UIN and activation code given to you by University Admissions or the Graduate College. For undergraduate students, after you have accepted your admission in MyIllini, you can find your activation code in your Admitted Student Checklist. For graduate students, you can find your UIN activation code in your admission letter. For university affiliates, contact the Technology Services Help Desk to obtain information on retrieving your UIN and activation code. The website to claim your Net ID can be found at netidclaim.illinois.edu. Step 1. Enter your UIN and click Continue. Step 2. Enter your activation code. Step 3. You will now be asked to set your recovery options in the event that you forget or need to reset your password. Step 4. Set your password. Step 5. The final screen will confirm that you have successfully completed the Net ID claim process. Graduate students will need to set up two-factor authentication at the Net ID Center in order to access your email account. Congratulations! You are halfway to being able to enjoy all the library privileges available to UIUC students and staff. Next, you must connect to UIUC's VPN. Part 2. Setting up your VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network. It allows students, faculty, and staff the ability to securely connect to the campus network from anywhere in the world using their UIUC campus credentials. In order to access the full array of UIUC library resources, you will need to connect to the UIUC VPN. There are different ways to do this depending on your operating system. If you have a Windows operating system, go to the University of Illinois web store at webstore.illinois.edu. Search for VPN in the product search bar. Select Cisco AnyConnect Virtual Private Network, VPN, UIUC only. This will be free of charge. Download the installation package. Go to the location where you saved the VPN installation package. Double-click on the file to open the installer. You may receive the user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer. If so, click Yes. The setup wizard will launch. Click Next. Accept the End User License Agreement, EULA, when prompted. Several windows will show the progress of the installation. When all of the installation procedures are complete, you'll be prompted to reboot your computer. After rebooting, your installation is complete. After you launch the Cisco AnyConnect client, first, you'll identify the VPN server and start to connect. In the Ready to Connect box, enter vpn.illinois.edu and click Connect. If you have an Apple operating system, Download the Mac VPN installation package from the web store. Save the file at a location that is easy to find. Your desktop will do nicely. You'll be prompted that installer is trying to install new software. Note, this prompt is not asking for your NetID. It asks for your local username and password on that specific computer. Enter your local username and your local computer password. Click Install Software. After the software is installed, you'll receive the message the installation was successful. Click Close. When you launch the Cisco AnyConnect client, you'll be prompted to enter the VPN server you wish to connect to. Enter vpn.sites.illinois.edu and click Connect. For all other operating systems, visit techservices.illinois.edu/services/virtual-private-networking. Part 3. Accessing the resources. Now that you have connected to the UIUC Virtual Private Network, you have full access to all UIUC library databases, online journals, and digital collections. You can also use your NetID and password to customize your searches online and manage items checked out to you. There are many ways that you will be using your NetID. This is your first key to unlocking all the resources, ebooks, and research consultations available to you at the University of Illinois. You can access these resources from anywhere in the world, granted you have your NetID and your VPN set up. The A through Z databases are another valuable resource available to you with your NetID and password. You can search by subject, name, or vendor. If you are researching anthropology, for example, select Anthropology from the subject dropdown. Our librarians have hand-selected the databases that are most likely to fulfill your research needs. If you are having trouble accessing these databases, please reach out to the Library Help Desk at 244-4688, or you can file an Open Source Ticket Request System, or OTRS, ticket at otrs-prod.library.illinois.edu. The last valuable resource you should know about is the UIUC LibGuides. These are research guides that have been thoughtfully curated for you by the UIUC subject librarians. You can find them by visiting guides.library.illinois.edu. You can search by subject, type of guide, or by particular library. Thanks for watching the Accessing UIUC Libraries tutorial. Good luck with your future research.